कि खूबोर का बातें सी TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Rangba Ajalna Konrad ke sangma ulai thu bagi dan South Pak San Ngut ki Nong India ki Pule chagari Bangladesh ki balawan Phai yeng no lingba ka kat Khappud kabadan Dawki naki neu lo ong bakumba prap hungut ki de na kejala Meghalaya kat ba ki wei pat ki de na keleng ki jala kri India bat ki danru ki bana Nepal bat Bhutan Menteri Rangba lo ong ba sarkar kai trailang ba embassy jong ke India kabadan Bangladesh banyarap ik samla Pule bagi nyawan Phai no shalayeng.
We are aware that the situation in Bangladesh is, a localized kind of a problem in terms of the different issues that was raised because of the reservation that was there, in terms of 30% reservation that was meant for armed forces and all. So those concerns and all this came up, and obviously it has taken a political turn as well as slightly complicated law and order turn. So it's very unfortunate. Number one, it shouldn't. And obviously there are a lot of students from many parts of the world who are in fact studying there, so therefore a lot of the students have been affected. But as soon as we got this information, we have immediately moved into action, and almost close to about 405 students from India have been evacuated from Bangladesh through Dawki. And out of them, about 80 are from our state of Meghalaya itself, and then the rest are from other parts of the state, of the country. We also have the students from Bhutan and Nepal also who are there, and some tourists who were stuck, who again crossed the border from Dawki's side. So the movement is on. We have already got our nodal officers here in the state, as well as we have in touch with the Indian embassy in Dhaka. And a senior IPS officer is directly in touch with us to facilitate any kind of movement that is required. At the same time, there are some concerns that have been raised regarding one particular college called the Eastern Medical College. About 36 students of ours are there, I'm told. Numbers could be up and down. I stand corrected on that, but roughly about 36 students. We are in touch with the officials there also, and with touch with the Indian embassy, and though the college are saying that the situation is okay, but obviously a lot of the parents are very concerned. So I want to share and tell all the parents that we are continuously in touch. Though the situation in and around the college is okay, but en route there could be some situations, and therefore it will not be possible to take a chance unless until we are very sure that the route also is clear and they can be safely brought to the border. We'll have to watch the situation. So therefore those activities are on, and we are in touch. We are hopeful that within the next 24 hours we'll be able to assess the situation. We are ready from the Tripura side, because this particular point where they'll be entering is in Tripura. So we are in touch with the Tripura side also. We're in touch with our counterparts and our High Commission in Bangladesh also, and our officials also in touch, so that we can evacuate our students and others immediately from there as soon as we find that the route is also clear. So I just want to share with all the concerned parents that we are doing everything in our capacity to ensure safe return of all the citizens. We are leaving no stone unturned. We are in touch with the Indian embassy. We are in touch with also the students also at individual levels. We have made arrangements at Dawki in terms of everything from medical attention to food to transportation to security. And as we speak also, as I said, the different transfers and transportation of individuals is taking place. But I do urge our citizens also, if there is any information they have on anybody, we have given a nodal number, we have given a helpline number also. You can always call in this helpline number, and we have given a nodal officer's number also. So people can contact in those numbers as well if they find that any information is there which should come to us. So we only have the information with us in terms of whatever we have received from different sources. But the exact count is not there with us. And in fact, just to share with you, we are coming out with a small, an OM kind of a thing, a proposal, where we have realized that we have seen this in the past also. We have faced a lot of problems in the past also because of the fact that we do not have direct contact with our students. So we are proposing in the next cabinet, it's coming up. Yeah, online, yes. So by next cabinet, hopefully we'll be clearing this proposal where there will be an online portal where we are urging every student from Meghalaya who's studying outside to please register and please give us your contact numbers so that you are in our database, and immediately if there's any situation, in a matter of just seconds, we'll be able to bring out all the details of our students who are there and the contact numbers, so that in the future, if such situations happens in any part of the world, we have the necessary details and contacts. So we're coming out with that portal, and that should help us a lot in the future. But as of now, as I said, we're relying only on the information being given to us by the High Commission and by the colleges that are there, and also by the citizens and the parents whose children are studying in Bangladesh.
Only for students?
Sorry?
Only for students, this water?
Well, no, this will be for everybody. Since it's student you mentioned, so I'm mentioning this. But yes, we prefer that everybody should inform us. But it's not going to be mandatory. But it's something that we're giving an option that it will help us to have the database as and when situations arise.